Hello everyone. So my name is Janvi and today I'm going to explain you the very important topic, that is group discussion. So in first slide I show the definition of the group discussion. First, what is group discussion? So group discussion is a formal discussion. Formal discussion means in a corporate world or even though academics we use the group discussion. It involves a group of people in a HR interview. There are so many participants, and in that HR managers uh, conducted the conducted the group discussion between these participants. This shows our communication skills and our ability to speaking. Participants share their ideas on a given topic. Here, in a group discussion, HR interview gives a topic for example, social media. On the topic of the social media, all the participants share their ideas, opinions, and also discuss about their advantages, benefits, disadvantages, and also impact on us. So it helps us to evaluate communication and thinking skills. It shows our confidence and also our thinking skills also improves, and communication between us is also increases, and improve our communication skill. In our next slide I show the objectives of group discussion. So, group discussion is aimed to communication skill, to test the communication skill, to check the confidence and leadership, to understand the teamwork and ability, to evaluate the problem solving skills. Means, for example, social media. Um, on the social media, how we are able to speak on the topic, it shows our communication skill. So it is also aimed by um, a manager to test our communication skill and check the confidence and leadership. Uh, in group discussion, it checks our confidence, and while talking it shows our confidence. And also, even though if no one is talk or not sharing their ideas, we can encourage her to express her opinion or her ideas. It shows our leadership quality also, and to understand the teamwork ability. uh, if we can discuss by discussing in team, and sharing our opinions, supporting each other, and communicate with each other, is shows our teamwork ability, to evaluate the problem solving skills. Means, in a social media there is impact on us, like uh, social media affect on children's and also mental health. So how we solve this problem, uh, this shows our problem solving skills. We can solve this problem like um, by using less social media, using it if necessary, and not wasted our time. At the same time, we can use social media for our daily task and works. In the next slide, I show the importance of group discussion. Improve the speaking and listening skill, builds confidence, encourage the idea sharing, and help of introverts and academics. As I said later, improves the speaking and listening skills. By sharing our opinions and ideas, it improves our speaking. And even though in our group discussion, we are listening the opinions of other participants, so it improves our listening skills. It needs proper attention, builds confidence. By sharing our opinions, it builds our confidence and encourages idea sharing. We can encourage to others, and also us to idea sharing, helpful in interviewer and academics. In academics, it is also important, and at the final at our interview, there is conducted group discussion, so it is very helpful. It is very helpful. It improves our speaking and listening skills, build the confidence, encourages the idea sharing, and helpful in interviews and academics. So types of group discussion is topic based, case based, abstract, situation based, and concept based. So I share here shortly abstract GD based on ideas or imagination, how we express our ideas and how we imagine that explain in GD. That is our abstract group discussion, or in for example, freedom and silence, situation based GD. Uh, if we are giving topic the social media, so it is a real life situation, and this is the situation based group discussion. So concept based group discussion based on concepts like leadership and ethics, uh, like politics. These types of example are discussed in concept based GD. So there is a lot of importance of group discussion in our life and in also daily life. We can discuss in group because it enhance our knowledge, and it also helpful. Thank you.